Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do an unboxing, a handbag unboxing with you, and this one comes with a story because it took quite a while to get. I think you already know what kind of bag, what brand it's from because of the title, but if you're interested in this Celine bag in the newest color of the season, then continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Now, why I say this comes with an interesting story is because this is a bag that I tried to get, I think, 8 months ago. I originally contacted somebody in March and I like shopping through Nordstrom if you've been here before, and I know some Nordstroms do have a Celine inside, like a boutique inside a Nordstrom. So I prefer to do that because I find that I can I can return things easier. I also get points and yeah. And so I was told that there was actually a Celine event at the Nordstrom and to get it during that time so I can get bonus points and stuff and all that. So great. There was a color that I was interested in and I placed an order for it and it never came. So I already paid for it all and for some reason they couldn't fulfill it. I guess it was maybe too popular or they cut the stock. I don't know what happened, but I went back and forth like for a couple months and finally they told me I could not get this bag in this color. So I was like, okay, now what do I do? I could return it. I could choose a different color, but at the time there was no color that I was interested in. So the lovely SA that was in the, I think, Bellevue Nordstrom within the Celine within that was helping me, and she was telling me like, hey, maybe you can try these colors. And so I asked her what color was coming and I picked it. I applied the credit that I paid already to this one, even though the price has gone up by now, but here it is. She shipped it to me right away overnight. I actually have had it here for a few days now, but I wanted to film this and it does not come with any of the Celine packaging. She said she can ship that to me in a little bit, but I just wanted to show you, even though it does not have the Celine packaging, it has the manufacturing packaging from Celine. Yeah, so I think this is what happens when they ship it to the store and then you display it and, so she shipped it in that. So I got it open brand new, just, yeah, right out of the box. So let's get into it and then I can share the color that I was supposed to get and what the color I ended up with is. All right, so this is kind of the box that I got. There's also another box, I think, outside of this one, but I already tossed that one. All right, let me put this box down. Okay, so it comes like this with the Celine Paris dust bag. It's this like cotton material, maybe even just a little bit polyester-y. I don't know. I don't think it's 100% cotton. And so I don't know if you can guess what it is. It is the Celine Camille 16 Soft in the size small. And this one is in a beautiful color. This one's called Golden Khaki and it is new for the fall time. So I think it just got released early October. She sent it to me October 1st, I believe, like overnight, October 2nd. So I've had it in my possession for a few days now, like I said, but it is beautiful. So it has gold hardware and let me just kind of take off some of these wrapping. So here's a tag. Yeah, it's Golden Khaki and it is currently $3,100, but like I said, I already paid for one, so I didn't get charged additionally, but yeah, there is my straps in here. So it doesn't just look like this. There are actually hooks here. There's actually 2 sets of hooks. I don't know if you can see, and because there are 2 straps that come with it, and the inside looks like this, very basic. There is only one zipper pocket right here along the back of the bag, as you can see, but otherwise it's just a very, big pocket, the center one, and yeah, it closes like this with the turn lock. And let's look at the straps. So like I said, it does come with 2 straps, and let me kind of show you. Okay, here is a short strap. As you can see, it's in the same color. This is, by the way, the calfskin material from Celine, and I believe the inside lining is lambskin. So it's a smooth calfskin on the outside, and it's buttery soft. I don't know if you can see it. So yummy, so good. Let me just clip this on. So it's just like a little lobster clasp like that. And I'm clipping it to the smaller of the 2 clasps. So let me show you. So you can see that there's a little bigger one right here, and there's a smaller one right here. So that's the one I have clipped right now. And you can see that this one is the perfect length to put kind of underneath the, or wear on the shoulder. So it falls right underneath your underarm like this, and there's plenty of space because you can see that even, I mean, I know I have like a baggy but thin sweater. If you imagine a thicker coat, it would still be fine. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, I mean, I quite like it. I think it's a very good size for me. And yeah, I think it could work for a lot of people actually. Let me kind of show you also, because I have a water bottle here. This one is a little bigger than my usual one. So this one is, instead of 8 fluid ounces, it's 11.2 fluid ounces, which is 330 milliliter. And so yeah, this is kind of the size of it. And if you popped it in here, it actually fits quite nicely. And on the side, you can't really tell that there's something there. So that's lovely. So even for a very thin bag, I think you can put a small water bottle in here, which also means you can easily put like a card holder, a thicker card holder. And let me just put that in there. And like a lippy. You can probably put a ton more things in there. So actually, can you see? Anytime that the color inside's a little darker. So yeah, there's plenty of space. And so yeah, I'll do a more in-depth review once I started using this, because yeah, I think it could fit a lot, but I also love how like narrow this is. So it doesn't create extra bulk in, you know, on the side of your shoulder. And so yeah, you close it like that to secure it. But you can see that it just looks beautiful. Like, so it looks soft. It has this like silhouette like this a little bit, but if you left it open, it does, you can kind of stretch it out a little bit and you can fit more bulky stuff. So it depends on how you want to wear this. Let me show you the other strap that came with this bag. So the other color that I originally wanted to get was for the spring of 2025. Again, I placed an order with the SA. She was confident in getting that shipped to me even though it was sold out, but it never made it for some reason. So Italy never sent more, and so she was never able to fulfill it, which I was quite bummed about because I was, you know, obviously I placed the order for that, but as months went by, I was like, well, you know, I don't really want that color anymore. This is like more fall and this looks perfect. In fact, now that I think about it, not that I still love that color. It's this like beautiful peachy pink color. But I do know that if I had gotten that one, I think I'd be a little bit more worried wearing it because it is a light color. And so with this smooth calfskin, I would be a little bit nervous in getting it dirty. So this one I think is harder to get color transfer, although I guess I will keep you posted on that. Okay, so let me attach this longer strap here to the outer hook. So you absolutely don't need to wear them together. I'm just keeping it together just so that you could see the full effect. This strap is also included with the bag, so that's kind of nice. And it is adjustable. So the short one is not, but the long one does have holes that you can adjust to make it shorter or longer. And so now you can see that there is the short strap right here. And then there's also the longer strap that would obviously make it easier to wear longer. So the longer strap will make it easier to wear it on your body or crossbody like so. it is quite comfortable, I would say, because it falls really nicely against your body and it kind of like contours against your body as well. But I don't know if I would wear both of these straps at the same time. I think this like looks wonky, kind of slung like this. So I don't think I would. So I'm just gonna remove the shorter one right now. But it's like, again, very nice that you can have the option to do that. What I may do is put a chain strap, like a short chain strap on the shorter loop when I have it with the longer strap. So so that like there is a little handle that can hold, but that it would drape a much nicer across the front. The leather strap is beautiful, but I think it would not look draped correctly. It looks like a little wonky. All right, so this is what it looks like on me, crossbody. I'm 5'1", but because this is adjustable, even if you're taller, you can definitely make it longer as well if you wanted to. And then here it is on the shoulder. So it's a very beautiful bag, very easy to wear, and I just love the two straps because that makes it very versatile. There are no feet at the bottom. The corners are fairly round, and it is the same color throughout. And yeah, it's just so easy, you know? Like just, yeah, I love how supple this is. I am very interested in how this would wear because being so soft and supple and the smooth calf skin, I am a little bit worried about wear and tear. So this one would be very interesting to give you an update on after I use it for about a couple months. So while I'm up here, I will show you that this is the closure. So you turn like this to open and close. There's obviously stickers still on it. And so to get in, you do that. But like I said, if you didn't do it, you can leave it open and that would be fine. The hooks here are all in gold color. And yeah, but that's about it. Oh, wait, there's also one more hardware piece, which is the zipper up in the middle there. But otherwise, that's it. This color is called golden khaki, but I do kind of see it in some lights like green, like olivey green, but I also kind of see it as a gray. So like that. I don't know if, does that look gray in the viewfinder? It kind of has this like muted green, kind of like sagey gray, and I just love it. So I think it'll go with a lot of my outfits, especially for the fall and winter time, but I can totally see myself wearing this in the spring and summer. Versus the pink one, I think, I don't know, I guess I can wear that like all year round as well. Who am I kidding? I wear all colors all year round. So, I mean, yeah, I'm glad I got this color. I'm glad my SA was able to help me figure this out. It took months because now it's October and I originally started talking about it with her in March. So that's crazy. But better late than never. Here we are. Do you have thoughts on this bag? I know it was a fairly new one earlier this year. Was it late last year? But it is a fairly new bag from Celine. Do you like it? Do you have one? Are you looking at it as one? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. Like I said, I will do an updated review once I start using it a little bit more. But yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the meantime if you have any questions about it, and I'll try to cover it in my updated review. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.